Welcome back, home service hustlers. If you decide to turn your slow season into the most profitable, busy time of the year by adding holiday lighting or permanent lighting, you've already made a smart decision. However, the big question is, how do you actually go out and find customers to pay you thousands of dollars for this service? That's exactly what we're going to be covering in this video. This strategy is for current business owners. If you do not have a home service or a trades business yet, go check out this video here. Whether you're a window cleaner, power washer, gutter cleaner, handyman, pest control, this strategy is specifically for you. It's an incredibly lucrative season, but it is short, so let's jump in. So if this is you right here, you have a home service company or you're in the trades and your fall slows down and you want to add a new service, today we're going to be focusing on Christmas lights, but this strategy works to any service. This is the perfect video for you to be watching right now because it's going to help you make a bunch of money. The best part about it is that you don't need to spend a single cent on marketing with the strategy I'm going to teach you today. It's one component of an overarching strategy that we run, but what this whole strategy together does will turn one lead into 3 closed deals, help you build a loyal customer base, lower your customer acquisition costs, increase profit margins up to 26% because we're not spending any money on marketing, and it's going to allow you to close high ticket deals. People that are like, yeah, $1,500 for Christmas lights, let's do it. Because a lot of guys in the home service space, we have this perception that in order to add a new service, we have to feed Mark Zuckerberg thousands of dollars on Facebook and Instagram ads, or we're going to go get ripped off by Angie's List, stay away from them, pay some marketing agency a massive retainer to go and do ads for us on Facebook, on Google, or test our luck on Google ads. This strategy requires none of this so that you can go out and start making money fast, because we don't want to be burning our money. Some of this stuff right here is absolutely burning our money. We don't know how to do our own ads. We're testing with our own money, losing money. This entire strategy is completely free to do. I'm going to teach you guys it today. If you're new to the channel, my name's Adam Chapman. I started my home service company 9 years ago. We started with window cleaning, gutter cleaning, power washing, and then I added on holiday lighting and permanent lighting. To date, I've done over $2 million in holiday and permanent lighting. Of course, I would not be able to do that all by myself. I have an awesome team in place. Here's some of the jobs we've done: an awesome holiday lighting job, a couple permanent lighting jobs here. I've become an advocate in the home service space. I've also spoke at events like Door to Door Con and the huge convention, all about holiday lighting and how to maximize your customer base. The strategy I'm going to be teaching you guys is exactly what Mark went and implemented. He's one of my home service university students. A $9,000 deal 5 days after implementing this strategy. Here's another guy, Dom and Rob, partners. 9 days after starting to join HSU and do holiday lighting, we already closed our first job for $33.86 with a 50% deposit. I talk about collecting deposit money in other videos. So the strategy I'm about to teach you, that's what these two guys did to bring in a bunch of money. So this strategy works. It's what we do at my company and what these guys in my program also do. Adding holiday lighting to my home service business was the second best decision I ever made in my life. The first best decision was getting into home services in the first place. However, when I first went to add this service, I had a lot of stupid mistakes. I paid an agency to do a website and SEO for me way too late in the season. They still took my money, but SEO takes probably 3 months to start ranking, but they still took my money, and they also took my money to run Google ads and Facebook ads. Do those work? Absolutely. But I paid this guy $2,000. Some of you guys might have had this experience before, and we got very little results because they didn't care about results, they cared about the retainer. Facebook ads are great, right? They actually do work really well, but if we can get customers for free, let's do that. Let's not be reliant on Facebook, Google, and stay away from Angie's with a 10-foot pole. You do not need all of this to go out and start making money. Are they good things to do? Yes. But first, let's use the strategy I'm going to teach you today that's free, okay? It's free to do, which is awesome, completely free. And then we're going to take that money and put it into Facebook, Instagram, maybe Google, etc. But for today, we're just going to be maximizing our current client base. So what I'm going to be teaching you guys today is one component of the profit beam system. All 4 of these components together creates this. It's literally an absolute money printer together. However, what we're going to be teaching in this video, it's completely free to do. It's super simple for you guys to go out and do, and it will 100% get you jobs. So component 1 of the profit beam system is called value mining. Essentially what it's all about is the hidden gold mine that's already in your business. Your customers already know, like, and trust you. For them to first do that, you would have had to go to their house, convince them to do a power washing job, do a good job, and then actually have them happy. We already have so much goodwill built up, but people don't go and maximize it. With your current client base, you can make more profit with less work and the same clients, guys. Remember that stat earlier? I said lowering your customer acquisition cost by 90%. That's because you've already done all the hard work and they're in your CRM right now. Let's break down the strategy step by step. Step one is segmenting your client list. We want to go through our current client base and segment them into 3 categories: our VIPs, our good fits, and then our low value. Our VIP clients, those are people that are big spenders, loyal customers. They gave you a 5-star review, maybe they gave you some referrals before, and they just live in high income areas. What we want to do with them is hit them as soon as we're going on the phone and do a couple reps, then we're going to be hitting them up. Our second segment would be our good fits. Maybe it's people you don't really know their name, but they still live in a good area. They're happy, but we don't have too much of a relationship with them and they're not those prime clients. And then our low value, those are our clients that either in the past gave us a hard time, price hagglers, or when you look at their name and their neighborhood, you're like, yeah, it's not the best neighborhood and I don't know who this is. We can segment them 1, 2, and 3. You can do that very, very simple. You can do it the old school way, literally a pen and paper if you want to, or make a simple Google sheet. So this is a Google sheet I gave my students to segment them. And the reason why we want to do this is because then we can make sure that we have a habit and keep track of what we said to them on the phone. Of course, you can also do this on your CRM. You could go through and automate it. So I don't care what tools you guys use, just have a process in place so that you can keep track. I called them Monday, they said to call Tuesday, etc., 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 because we want to be religious on this list over the next 3 weeks, 5 weeks here, and make a bunch of money from this list. If you just call someone once and then they don't answer and you give up, you're leaving so much money on the table. An example of an automation would be, so let's say you call them, they don't answer, you could tag them holiday lighting, sending an automated email, text, etc. That's not the point in this video. I want to keep it very basic. If you guys want help with that, feel free to book a call below and I'm happy to walk you through that. Step one, to keep things simple, is you want to segment your client list. VIPs, good fits, and low value. Step two is we want to run a 3-channel outreach campaign. So 3 channels would be phone, emails, text. Majority of this video will be focused on the phone because that's something super simple for you guys to do. Some phone and text tips: make sure you double dial. What that is, if you call, goes to voicemail, hang up and call immediately. This rate alone will double your answer rate. When my mentor first told me to do that, I was super nervous. I'm like, won't people get mad? I've done this tens of thousands of times and I've only ever had 3 people say something. Hey, why'd you call twice? I said, oh, my bad, it didn't ring on my end. Anyways, it's Adam calling from PadPal. It works. Double dial. The next thing you want to do is a pattern interrupt on your script. We have a good script that we use. A pattern interrupt. Hey, crazy question for you. You want to keep your text messages short and clear, so 1 or 2 sentences with the CTA, and you want to personalize it, of course, with their name, and then keep it casual. GIFs, so those moving photos of someone ghosts you, send a tumbleweed, that has a huge response rate. And I always tell my students in HSU, you are not annoying until someone says, hey Adam, stop calling and texting me, you're annoying. You'd be shocked at how important follow-up is. Some quick email tips: you want to use a killer subject line. Don't get left in the dark, Adam. VIP calendar open now. Worry on the naughty list. 1 clear offer with a CTA. And then a bonus tip would be in that email, sending them to a landing page like this. You want to hit them on 3 different channels: phone, emails, text. This right here, if you even just did this really, really well, you are going to make money from your list. The script that you'd want to follow, so we have what we call as like a no ladder script. And essentially what you'd want to be going and doing if you want to try to get a fall service first, because it's easier to upsell on site, I'd be like, hey, it's Adam calling from PadPal, just calling to book you in for your fall window and gutter cleaning, the assumed close. If they say, oh no, we don't want fall stuff, okay, no worries. Well, we'll have you on the phone. Crazy question for you, Martha. What do you guys do to get decorated for the holidays? Or what do you guys do to get lit for the holidays? And then she'll be, oh, my husband does it, but I don't want him going up the ladder. Boom. Oh, well, have you ever heard of full service holiday lighting? We do the lights, the installation, in-season maintenance, removal, storage, etc. You can check out more of my videos on that. And then if they're like, oh no, we don't want lights, I'd be like, okay, no worries. Do you know anyone else in the neighborhood that might be interested in this, or friends or family? A referral basically who might be interested in lights. If they say no, I would be like, okay, no worries, but were you happy with the window cleaning we did in the spring? Yes. Yeah, Adam, we were. Put us down for next spring. Okay, awesome. I'm going to send you a review link right now. If you could give us a review, I'd greatly appreciate it. Essentially, I call it the ladder script because we start at hopefully a yes. If they say no, 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 worst case scenario, you're getting a 5-star review. This right here is completely optional depending on when you're watching this video. Let's say you're watching this mid-October, November. Let's skip the fall booking because that's low ticket, right? Leaf cleanup, stuff like that. We don't want to be doing that. We want to be doing high ticket holiday lighting jobs. That's what we want to be doing. That is low ticket. For our VIP clients here, try to get them on the phone. If they don't answer on Monday and you double dial, don't leave a voicemail, don't text, call them on Wednesday. Call them at different times, track them on a Google Sheet or in your CRM, because these ones right here, we want to get on the phone. That's the highest chance of closing them. If it's a low value, you could just go straight from phone call to text message, or if you have a bunch of customers, just throw them in an email campaign. It's important to run through your list up and down a few times, at least 3 dials, 4 dials on these people right here, because this is who has the money. Step 3 is continually working through that list, booking in-person quotes for holiday lighting. You want to make sure that they're a qualified lead on the phone on that script. Make sure you qualify the lead. Hey, listen, it starts at $1,000. I'll come by on Saturday to give you guys an in-person quote. Is the whole family going to be there? It's a very interactive experience, AKA let's try to close the deal on the spot. And then you'd be booking your quotes on the weekend, let's say, close the deals, collect 50% deposits, and keep repeating this cycle. Run through your list, calling them, call them again, book in persons, close deals, 50% deposits. So purely based just off of the value mining strategy, even if you're terrible on the phone, you're not a good email writer, you have no tech skills, out of every 10 customers, you should get at least 2 to sign up. So if you have 200 people in your CRM right now, that should be about 40 jobs, $1,000 minimum. We had $1,800 average ticket last year. Right now, if you have 200 people, you're sitting on $40,000 worth of jobs, and that's $20,000 worth of deposits in your CRM right now if you implement this strategy properly. Literally, even if you're stuttering like Joe Biden, you should be able to close at least 40 jobs. If not, you are doing something wrong. Record your calls, book a call with me down below. I'd love to listen to them and help you guys out with that. Just to show you the results you can expect with implementing the value mining strategy. So that is one component of the profit beam. Of course, all of these guys are doing the full profit beam system, but value mining is a huge component of it because your customers already know, like, and trust you. I can show you right here. Dennis, first year doing holiday lighting, had an average ticket of $1,955. Noah, $2,300 average ticket last year, and in 2023, his average ticket was under $1,000. So he's able to increase his average ticket over $1,300 with this strategy. $73,400 in the last 30 days, and that was 100% through value mining. His current client base, pre-selling jobs, and collecting deposits. That's over $30K in deposits right there. Stanton, first year doing holiday lighting, $61,000 as an owner-operator. Prime example, house wash gutter cleaning for $850, and then Noah went and upsold them $1,300 on this job. And then last but certainly not least, John, my electrician. All my electricians do it. They don't do any more electrical work. All of November, they're doing Christmas lights. Because look at that, $6,100 job from someone that he did an electrical repair job for in the summer. That's the value of going through and mining your client base. You're adding a high ticket, reoccurring service for the holidays, not starting a brand new business from scratch. Go out there, implement the value mining, because this on its own is a ton of money that you're sitting on. You don't need a marketing plan. You don't need a bunch of rip-off agencies, Angie's List, etc. Go out there, start value mining. All of this together is absolutely going to blow up your business. But this on its own right here, there's money in the bank. Go collect deposit money and go make some money. If you want some help, maybe you want some call reviews, or you want to implement the entire Profit Beam system, feel free to scan that QR code to book a call with me, or I'll link in the description. You can go down, book a call. I can review your calls, lay out a game plan. If you want to do 30, 40, 50. I haven't seen a guy last year, the customer base came to us, did $138,000 his first year doing Christmas lights. It's free to do. If it makes sense, I'd love to have you part of our program. We have an awesome community of guys where we'll give you everything you need. So we do twice a week live coaching, your door hangers, your yard signs, your scripts, the Profit Beam system, supplier discounts, a full 5-hour masterclass, and over 40 different resources. If that's something you're interested in, you want to maximize this short but insanely lucrative season, book a call below. If not, I wish you the best of luck this season. Be sure to check out my Instagram at AdamRChap and subscribe. We're going to be sharing a ton of helpful info for you to make this Christmas your best yet.